Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Technical Rajput blog. I hope guys you're very well. Today I was telling about the Mphasis onboarding update, and there was a bench policy regarding. I have just made a poll generated where I have asked the candidate about the can I make the video on a bench policy, and there was a company for the Mphasis, Capgemini, TCS, LTI, Mindtree. So there was a good positive impact from the each one of you. Thank you guys for supporting me as through the community session. So guys, so just making about the Mphasis bench policy in this video about the onboarding on a news also. So why onboarding delay? There was a bench policy regarding about there was a bench for the candidate who was just on a bench. There was a main reason for the onboarding delay, and there was I think so there was a main reason behind this also. So bench policy termination, if you are more than a month or a bench period, so what was the good thing there was a positive impact or the negative impact, just telling about it in this video. So I hope guys you have subscribed my channel or not, but please just now subscribe my channel and Technical Rajput blog and press the bell icon for notification. This is the bench period where I have just discussing about the topic, the worst bench policy among the IT company. If Mphasis cannot place you in a project while on a bench, if you are joining as an organization, as you know about there, if any organization you start your career, you have a good opportunities for you starting as a career, but the company is deciding about the bench period. This is the main thing about their in a mind each and every as a fresher candidate. This time the situation is very critical, so each and every company as a fresher is joining, so they have just in mind about the bench policy. There was a bench policy is just now is trending the topic behind the each and every company, because the bench policy is the policy where the project in between the project they will penalize the employee and save money by paying 50, because this is the bench policy about the Mphasis, where the Mphasis is giving the opportunity for the each and every candidate. But this time the situation is very not a good for, if you Mphasis, if you are on a bench, if you more than a 2 or 3 month, then the this type of opportunity, this type of thing is happening in a Mphasis. If Mphasis cannot place you in a project while or a bench or in between the project, they will penalize the employee and save money by 50% salary. 50% salary they will be save you. After 2-3 months, then force employee to take substantial leave after that without any pay. So guys, this is the topic deciding about this in this video. They Mphasis is, if you are on a bench guys, so the company is going to be giving you the penalized employee and save money buying the company. If you are on a bench, they will be the first 2 to 3 months they will be give you the 50% salary. If your salary is 45,000 or 50,000, they will give you the 25,000 for the first 2-3 months. After that, they will, if you have not received any project till the 2 or 3 months, they will be give you the another bad news about there. They should have to leave the company, they should have to take the leave from the substantial leave after, because they any pay, because they will be told you about that you have to taking a leave for the company, because company don't want to pay anymore to you, because as a bench you have don't any project or you have don't giving the project, because this time the situation is about that they have come, even the most of the company is not getting the project because the business requirement, company is not getting the project. There was a bench, most of the candidate has gone to the bench policy, because this time the requirement of a company is going to be raised. There was a no just down for the company each and every, so most of the employee like having this time the employee for the Mphasis, there was a 15 to 20,000 employee on a bench. So the main impact for the their bench candidate about the onboarding team, because they give the priority to the candidate for the last year, so that's why the onboarding is delayed again and again. So there was a, if you a company is getting the project, so there was a candidate who has experienced more than a year or something like that, they on a bench, they will give the opportunity to that candidate. That's why the company is going to again delay onboarding. There was a news about the 26th of event. So you will be terminated suddenly by the phone or call without any notice. There was a termination policy also after the bench policy. If you not receive any project for the till to 5 to 6 months, there was a terminated suddenly by a phone call without any notice. There was a no termination policy is very bad also, because they will not provide any notice. Instead, they will ask for some lump sum money in order to get exit letter, shut down immediately and respect the employee to the future. They will evenly don't give any notice about their you please leave this company, or there was a termination of you have not matched your profile or something like that, you are more than for the bench period so there was a very bad worst company I have ever seen for the bench policy again this. As per the contract which I have, that they clearly mentioned my notice period for the 2 months, and no alteration variation of the terms and agreement shall be valid unless the writing is signed by the So guys, I'm just telling about there was a main reason behind the onboarding delay because most of the candidates is on a bench. If you received about the 22nd of June onboarding, and after that there was a many ripple mail have received by the candidate, there will be onboarding delay as soon as they will give the information for the next joining date. So that's why the company is not giving the next confirmed date. There was a no official notice about their company mail through the there will be when will be the hire, when will be they will be you just giving the onboarding or joining date update. As soon as get I further information from the officially site from the Mphasis, then I will further information share through my video. So guys, I think so you have subscribed my channel. If you not subscribed, just subscribe, hit the bell icon for the more notification, like my video, share as much as possible. If you want to anything something query, you can also join my channel or comment in my comment section. If you join my videos, or you can follow on my follow my Facebook page also, Technical Rajput blog. And if something like that, please like my video, subscribe and watching the video. You can also visit my playlist where you can get about the Mphasis onboarding update and the recently about the latest IT stuff, where you can get all the information about the IT. Thank you guys for watching this video. Like, subscribe. Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan.